Hey there, do you ever get that cringeworthy feeling when someone asks to see your YouTube search history? Yeah, we've all been there. But don't sweat it, because today, I'm gonna show you how to wipe that search slate clean in just a few easy steps. Plus, I'll throw in some tips to help you keep your YouTube browsing on the down low. Alright, let's start with the folks on the go, you mobile users. Whether you're Team iPhone or Team Android, clearing your YouTube search history is a piece of cake. For iPhone and Android users, follow the steps we're about to show you. Step 1. Fire up that YouTube app on your smartphone. Step 2. Tap your profile pic up there in the corner. Step 3. Hit up Settings. Step 4. Look for Manage All History. Step 5. If you have more than one Google account, pick the one you want to clean up. Step 6. You'll jump over to your Google account settings. Find that Delete button and hit it. Then choose Delete All Time. Step 7. Confirm and poof. Your YouTube search history vanishes into thin air. Now, if you want to get rid of just a single search term, no problem. For iOS, open the YouTube app. Tap on the search icon. Swipe left on the term you want to ditch. Hit delete. For Android, open the YouTube app. Tap on the search icon. Hold down on the term you want to say goodbye to. Hit remove. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's move on to our laptop and desktop buddies. For computer and laptop users, Step 1. Head to goodolyoutube.com. Step 2. Click your profile pic. Step 3. Choose your data in YouTube. Step 4. Find Manage your YouTube search history. Step 5. Select, delete, and choose Delete All Time. And if you want to nix just a slice of your history, you can do that too, same as on your phone. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can set your history to auto-delete? Here's how you can do that. Step 1. Click on your profile. Step 2. Find your data on YouTube. Step 3. Tap Manage your YouTube search history. Step 4. Hit the auto-delete option. Step 5. Pick a time frame and save. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can keep your YouTube search history squeaky clean and your privacy intact. So go ahead, clear out that embarrassing search for cat videos gone wrong, and enjoy a fresh start on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.